Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin SL TV. Today, we would like to share how to make all open workbooks save automatically on close on this computer. Let's go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Double-click on this workbook. From the list of objects, select Workbook. From the list of procedures, scroll up and look for Before Close. Delete the unwanted procedure. In the Before Close procedure, we should start with a for loop. To run through each open workbook, we should create a dummy. It can be any width or any letter. Let's say we use W key, and we should apply application.workbooks. And our intention is to save all open workbooks on close. So we have to use the .save method. Finish the first workbook. Of course, we have to proceed to the next, if any. After finish writing this code, let's go to File, click on Save As, browse, give a desired file name, and for the Save As type, change to Excel add-in. Click on Save. Now, let's back to Visual Basic. Delete this procedure if needed. Close the window and close this workbook. Click on Don't Save. Now let's try to open any workbook. Go to File, look for More, click on Options, click on Add-ins. From the Manage, select Excel Add-ins from the drop-down. Click on Go. Check the Excel add-in to perform Autosave that we have made just now. Click on OK. And now simply make some changes and close the workbook directly. Excel will perform save automatically for us. Let's open the workbook and check it. As we can see, the amendment made was saved. Let's delete the content and close it. Open again. The changes will definitely save automatically. How if let's say we try for another workbook? This time, let's change the date. For example, change to 1st of January 2023. Close the workbook and reopen again will also be saved. We could also try for a few more workbooks. Make some changes, close it, open again, and the changes were definitely saved. By using this method, all the workbooks on this computer will be saved automatically on close, as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you!